Hello children, today we are going to discuss multiple choice questions. So let's start. The first question is complete the given pattern. Children, look at the pattern of these arrows. As we see them, we come to know that all the arrows are moving clockwise. In this way, where will be the next hand? Yes, it will be at upward direction. So the arrow will be in upward direction. That's why we will see which option is correct. Is it option A? No, because it is downward. Option B? No, it's again going to the leftward. And now option C. Yes, this is going upward. So this is the correct one. That's why we have put a tick here. The next question is complete the given pattern. Children, look at this pattern carefully. We have started 9 multiplied by 6. It gives 54. And here in the next line, 9 multiplied by 66. It gives 594. In this way, we will see that there is one 9 between 5 and 4, while in this condition there are two 9s, just like this, 54. At the one side there is 5 and at the other end there is 4 and two 9s are there. Now there are 4 6 and there are 3 9s. So can you tell me, if there are 5 6, then how many 9s will come in between? Yes, 4 9s. Because as we are increasing the number of 6, the 9s will be increased. Option A. Does it match? No. Option B. It's again wrong. Now come to option C. Is the last term and option C are equal? No. That's why we will move towards option D. These both are equal. So this is the correct option. That's why we have put a tick here. The next question is choose the correct option to complete the pattern. Children, look at this pattern carefully. Here we have to fill the correct option. So by watching this pyramid, we come to know that by adding 5 and 10, it becomes 15. In this way, by adding 10 and 15, it becomes 25. In the same way, by adding 15 and 20, we get 35. Now, let's move to the next row. By adding 15 and 25, we get 40. And by adding 25, 35, we get 60. In this way, in the third row, we will add 40 and 60. And we know that by adding 40 and 60, we get 100. So, let's find the correct option. We'll start from option A. Is it 50? No, because we have calculated 100. Now, come to option B, 100. Yes, this is the correct one. So let's put a tick here. The next question is give 3 next steps to complete the following pattern. Here in the first one we have the terms 3, 6, 9 and 12, and we have to calculate the other 3. So we'll see that 3 ones are 3. In this way, 3 twos are 6, and in the same way 3 threes are 9 and 3 fours are 12. So this is the complete table of 3. 3 fives are 15. Then here comes 3 6s are 18 and 3 7s are 21. In this way, the pattern is completed. Now, the next one, 10, 30, 90. 10 3s are 30. In this way, 33s are 90. So, we have to multiply 90 with 3 and we'll get 270. In the same way, 270 multiplied by 3, we get 810. Similarly, 810 multiplied by 3, we get 2430. In this way, the pattern is completed. Children, now it's time for homework. And your homework is, you have to revise all the questions that we have discussed today and write them in your notebook. That's all for today. Keep learning. Thank you.